Automotive Mechanical Repair Service and Parts, Vermont, Victoria. This respected mechanical business has been around for 40 years and comes with a solid customer base and great reputation. As a Repco authorised service centre and Heyman and Reese tow bar dealer, you'll benefit from multiple income streams. Turnover is around $450,000 with the potential to grow by using the rear workshop as a body shop and roadworthy certificate centre. The leased premises are approximately 280 metres squared with a large storage shed, rear parking and air-conditioned office upstairs. The current owner says this has been a very good business with the potential to add more services and increase income. With an established long-term customer base, you'll also enjoy the benefits of Repco franchise marketing. The business also offers an excellent list of assets, including hoists, tyre fitting machine, engine scanners, air conditioning equipment, and more. This would be perfect for a qualified mechanic seeking their own shop or an established business looking for a second shop, all offers considered.